Okay, this is question number 7. What percent of a standard normal model is found in each region? So we get 4 questions, and this question tells us we are dealing with a standard normal distribution. So when we talk about standard normal distribution, although other people don't have to tell us, we need to know the 2 parameters of the standard normal distribution. The mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. Okay? So when we talk about standard normal distribution, those are the parameters we have to know. Mean is 1, mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. Okay? And the z is the notation for the standard normal random variable. Okay? The first question, choose the correct graph of the random variable is greater than 1.05, and we need to find the percent of the area to the right of z is equal to 1.05. The percent of the area to the right of this value means z is greater than 1.05. Okay? We need to calculate the probability and find the model or the graph. So let's get some help from the normal calculator. Okay? Let's open the StatCrunch and go to Stat Calculators. And where's normal? Okay, here's normal. Okay. So we know the mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. We don't have to change those things. And z is greater than 1.05. In this case, x is greater than or equal to 1.05. Okay. Then let's click compute. And this is the probability point 1468. So if we need to round to 2 decimal places, and that's the value, be careful about this percentage. You have to convert this decimals to this percentage format. And this is the correct graph. So we need to find the correct graph, which is A. So that's how we do it. And let's see the second one. So Z is less than 0.95. Let's still use the StatCrunch. Less than, okay, let's choose this less than 0.95 and click compute. And we have the probability. And we need to convert this decimals to a percentage format. And it shows us the correct graph. Okay, it's going to be A. So that's part B, part C. So this is between negative 1.4 and 0.85. No worry, let's go back to the StatCrunch. And it's between, so the is between 2 numbers. Let's click this between. Okay, so the lower limit is negative 1.4 and upper limit is 0.85. Okay, let's click compute. When we got the probability, 72.16%. Okay, and the correct figure is A. So just compare this one with those 4 options, and choose the correct one. Okay, let's go down, and the last one, absolute value of z. So we have to do some manipulation before putting the numbers in the calculator. So absolute value of z is greater than 1. That means it could be z is greater than 1 or z is less than negative 1. Okay, so those are the 2 scenarios that make absolute value of z greater than 1. Okay, so let's go back to stat. So we are looking at 2 directions. One is z is greater than 1. So x is greater than 1. Okay, so that is part. And we also have z is less than negative 1, which is it could be x is less than or equal to negative 1. So, but we know it's symmetric. The normal distribution is symmetric, so it should be the same, a mirror image of this right part to the other direction. Okay, so it should be something like this. Okay, And then for the probability, so the one direction or the one part is 1586 or 87. So the other part should have the same probability. So we have to double this number to get this probability. Okay, so that's the part D.